Bought this after I saw that it had 20,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. It immediately removed a 2-year-old stain in my carpet, so I wanted to try it on some other stuff. It's safe for fabric, and I've had a really hard time getting these leftover food stains out of my son's clothes. Sprayed on the Folex, gave it a rub, and after the wash, they were gone. I am so amazed that I had to try it on.
Cool Amazon Gadgets Part 98. This device is a robot which vacuums and mops. It can pick up dust, pet hair and operates on carpet and hard floor. It has a suction power of 3000 PA and can be controlled via the mobile app, Alexa and Google Home. The remote control lets you choose which area to clean whilst you relax, and it can run for up to 150 minutes per charge.
Amazon Home Hack. A normal outlet extender only lets you use about half the plugs on it because of the design. This outlet extender charges your devices 2.5 times faster, lets you use all 10 plugs, plus includes a 6-foot detachable magnet mount to put on your desk that has 2 USB ports and a USB port. The design also organizes the attached cable.
Cool Amazon Gadgets you need for your home. This device is a wireless item tracker. You simply stick the color-coded receivers on your gadgets and press the button on the receiver when you lose them. It beeps and flashes red so you can find exactly where your items are hiding. It's perfect if you misplace your remote control, keys or other everyday gadgets. And it even comes with stickers so you can label them.
Things you didn't know you needed off of Amazon. This is so satisfying and would have saved me from cleaning up so many messes in college. This is a silicone pot or pan cover that keeps all your water from boiling over. This stopper is heat resistant, dishwasher safe, and made of BPA free silicone, and it can fit any pan that has a diameter from 6 to 10.5 inches.
Amazon Kitchen Hacks. This is a rental-friendly splatter guard for your kitchen sink to prevent water from dripping onto your floors and getting onto your clothes while you do the dishes. And it easily folds up for storage when not in use.
10 random gadgets TikTok made me buy. This iPhone case which has built-in games in the cover. This rubber keyboard which is foldable and waterproof. This wireless remote which can locate your missing gadgets. This USB desktop fan which has an LED clock. This MagSafe cooling fan for your smartphone. This futuristic smart bin with motion sensors. An automatic jar opener which opens by just pressing a button. This mug which stirs automatically without any spoons. A tray which lets you carry loads of drinks at once without them tipping over. A mirror dash cam which records your journeys and even lets you play them back. Cool Amazon Gadgets Part 96. This is a hyperspace lighting hypercube, an LED infinity cube with a universal light inside. It has 95 unique patterns, 3 different modes. It's sound reactive and scratch resistant and can be synced with other hypercubes so you can enjoy an ultra responsive light show.
Amazon laundry favorite. I also wanted to include our travel mini steam iron that we throw in our suitcase for every trip. It heats up in 15 seconds, it holds around 1.5 ounces of water to make steam, and has over 23,000 reviews.
Amazon Home Hacks.
How had nobody talked me into buying one of these before? It's a little green machine which is a portable and compact carpet and upholstery cleaner that can get the toughest stains out of anything. It has 2 removable water tanks on the machine. One side you fill with the formula that comes with the machine and water, and the other side is where the dirty water is disposed of. That red wine is literally removed without a trace.
Amazon Home Hacks.
This screen window cleaning brush is very powerful. You only need to wipe one side. Dust on both sides can be wiped off, and it will be clean after a few rubs. It's easier to wipe the glass with the back wiper, and it's as good as new with a gentle scrape.
Car must-have from Amazon that I hope you never need to use. This is a 2-in-1 car escape tool. The one side has a protected blade where once you pull it out from its clip, you can use it to cut your seatbelt if you're trapped and your seatbelt is jammed. And the other end has a spring-loaded window breaking device that can break through your car's side window.
With my boyfriend, shower edition. I can't be the only one who cringes at the hideous shampoo and conditioner bottles that my boyfriend chooses. I solved this problem and made it extra cool. First step, I ordered these really cute
must-have home gadgets from Amazon Canada. This may just look like your typical alarm clock, but it's got so many cool features like a USB-C port to plug in devices like your MacBook, a MagSafe charging pad to charge your phone, AirPods, or Apple Watch, 3 different levels of brightness on the LED clock, a warm nightlight to ease into waking up, and a speaker that you can connect to Bluetooth or your local FM radio. I hate relying on my faulty phone alarm clock, so this one has been a game changer.
Warning, this video contains peeling skin and may gross you out. I have tried pedicures and every balm under the sun to heal my cracked heels, but nothing seemed to work. So I ordered this foot peel mask off Amazon. It took 7 days from start to finish. You start out on day 1 by soaking your feet for 15 minutes. Dry them off and put on a set of masks. It comes with 2 sets for a total of 4 masks. Then you wear other socks over the masks and let them sit for an hour.
Cool Amazon Gadgets Part 102. This device is an iPhone cover with built-in games. It has 36 classic games and lasts up to 5 hours per charge. It has a 2.5-inch color screen and won't drain your phone's battery or use the internet. 10 random gadgets TikTok made me buy. This retro-styled keyboard which connects to your phone or tablet. This device which lets you print labels directly from your mobile phone. This magnetic phone mount so you can multitask whilst working on your laptop. This portable USB fridge so you can snack at your desk or on the go. This mini brush kit which keeps your AirPods squeaky clean. This is an alarm clock which has wheels so you can sleep in peace. This wireless charger which can charge 3 devices simultaneously. This waterproof LED customizable shoulder bag. This robot vacuum which can clean and mop your home and also has voice command technology. And this device which can dispense milk and other drinks so you no longer need to lift the bottle.
5 helpful gadgets from Amazon, starting with this mute button for your Zoom meetings. With one touch, you're able to mute and unmute and open and close the video. Next are my webcam covers. Just place over the camera portion and close when not in use. This cable management box will help organize and hide away all of your cords to prevent clutter. Next is this portable charger with 3 built-in cables, and you can plug this directly into the wall to charge. And lastly is this phone case that has a built-in holder for your AirPods. Everything is linked for you in my profile, and tell me in the comments which gadget was your favorite.
10 random gadgets TikTok made me buy. This sound reactive LED infinity cube. This device which moves your mouse around so you can relax whilst at work. A vacuum cleaner which removes dust and bacteria from your bed. This bottle which connects to your mobile app and reminds you to drink more water. A spider catcher so you don't have to touch the spiders. This device which turns your mobile into a gaming console. These LED lights for your car which give feedback to other drivers. This box which locks your phone for up to 99 hours, saving you from distractions. This gooey thing which helps clean your car. And this ear cleaner with a camera so you can look inside your ear.